Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your controller is connected and charged. This avoids input lag while changing settings. Once in the game, pause and open options, head straight to controller or accessibility. You do this because some consoles show haptics under accessibility while PC games list them by controller type. Make sure to keep your controller active. If it sleeps, settings may not apply. Now, select the controller profile you use so you change the right haptic settings. You locate haptic feedback, vibration intensity, or rumble. Different platforms label it differently. Once found, move the intensity slider to 0 or select off. This is the explicit action that stops vibration. After adjusting, use apply or confirm to right settings to the active controller profile, because leaving without confirming can revert changes. If there are separate options for weapon, vehicle, or UI vibration, set each to 0 so nothing triggers unexpected. You should now resume gameplay and check for vibration during shooting, explosions, or menus. That confirms success. If haptics persist, go to your console or OS controller settings and disable vibration system-wide. Some platforms override game settings. Make sure to restart the game or power cycle the controller so firmware reinitializes. If still active, update the controller firmware or game patch. Often a firmware mismatch keeps older haptic profiles engaged. One tip, try a different controller to isolate hardware versus.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.